Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is currently 12:40 in the night, right? In the morning, whichever. But guess what we are doing? We are going Jamaica. If you see my eyes, I am tired. This is super last minute, like literally booked a ticket the day before and I'm just like, I'm gonna go home. Well, my auntie said come home and my sister-in-law did say I should come home as well. So I've decided to go home and I will vlog most of my trip. I can't show you guys what's in my suitcase and anything because it was last minute. I just dashed my stuff in there. And yes, I fly tomorrow. So I'll take you guys on my journey. And my first vlog will be in my home country, born and raised. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'll take you guys on much of my journeys as I possibly can. And I'll speak to you tomorrow because I need to get some sleep. Yeah, hey guys, welcome back. So I just want to let you guys know that I made it to the airport. I wanted to record the whole process of time, but I was running behind time. Left my house at 8. There was so much traffic, so I got here a little bit late. But yeah, I am starving, so I'm waiting to board because I'll get the food on the plane. I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll see you soon. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have landed safely. It was pretty late when I got here and I was tired because my flight was so long. It was like 11 hours. Like, this is the first time I'm coming to Jamaica and we are flying like over like New York and Boston and stuff like that, places like that. So it was quite interesting, but we took a longer route. I don't know why, but if it was safer, then that's fine by me. So yeah, I am currently at home. I tried to sleep in. Well, today in the morning is basically work related, so I had to get some work stuff out the way. So yeah, now I'm finally over and done with all of that and I am going to go out. I am going to the zoo with my cousin because it's her daughter's birthday, so we're gonna go to the zoo. Guys, this trip feels so weird, but yes, I'm gonna go to the zoo with my cousin, so I am just trying to sort myself out so we could go. If you're wondering what I'm rubbing on my face, is this facial rose wash. It's from Boots. Here, so yeah, so that's on my face. So I am dressed, I am ready to go. It was a quick, guys, I don't know what's wrong with me. I am not functioning properly, literally, but yeah, I'm ready. I am just wearing a skirt. You can't see the skirt, but a top, black top and a skirt. It's kind of long, and then some black slippers and my bag. Yeah, nothing too dramatic because I do we can dress up for guys. I'm guessing we can, but I feel like this is good enough. Yeah, but yes, I am ready to go, and then I'll record and show you guys what animals are there or something. Yes, and I'll see you soon.
Out there, the lion paw. Out there, the youths them in the streets, them moon sharp just like iron claw. For the youths of De La Vega, where free good behavior, and I want it down in the town. For the youth them up a rock fort, we're solid like a rock stone, stand firm like roots in at the ground. For the youth them down a standpipe in the streets like a stoplight, now stop till food in at the zone. For the one them round a TG, juggle CD, DVD.
Guys, I think this baby looks like me so much when I was a baby. She is so adorable. But me, my baby cousin.
Tell the ghetto youth beware, can't up sell out because them dumb. Select a beg you wheel it again. For the youth them will.
So I'm finished with the zoo, and I'm gonna get something to eat.
Out there, the lion paw. Out there, the youths them in the streets, them moon sharp just like iron claw. For the youths of De La Vega, where free good behavior, and I want it down in the town. For the youth them up a rock fort, we're solid like a rock stone, stand firm like roots in at the ground. For the youth them down a standpipe in the streets like a stoplight, now stop till food in at the zone. For the one them round a TG, juggle CD, DVD. For the ones when load bust down a town, and you say chronics in the area. Get up, stand up and jump, get on youth, don't have no fear, cause I love make we overcome. Tell they get on youth, beware, can't up sell out because them dumb.
Hi guys, I got my hair braided. So tonight we're going to a festival. I don't know where this come from and this, but we're going out to Lost Flies, something like that.
Paranoid for the things that the earth kind. Hey man, count up on the lady. Give me a mix, yeah. Send me some come crazy, yeah. Some people pretty girl too. Policeman, they will spend 1 minute. Please, for them must tell us that. So we say, why should I be afraid of you? When you bleed just like I do. The more you try to fight,
work toward that goal, yeah. Help him. Pray for you to strength and life and length and peace of mind. Good people and good vibe. Give thanks every time and every single line. All when that no rhyme, lost in time. Let me hear you sing no mind. Sing, you can hear all the crowd. And take a look and hear my journey.
That concert festival was so good. We left in a rush. We took long to get in, but it was worth it. Okay, I had so much fun. I actually had so much fun. So now we're gonna go to bed. Hi guys, so we are currently in St. Mary on my 5th day, I think, and me and my little cousin is going to the beach. So I'll take you guys with me. And it's like 8 o'clock in the morning, so, or not, it's 8 o'clock, yeah. So it's pretty early. So it's a morning walk to the beach. We'll find something to eat along the way. Stay tuned. Khalil is walking to the beach, and that's Khalil right there. And by the way, it's election day in Jamaica, so everyone's voting. Guys, if you know about digestives, these are so good. My childhood favorites now.
The Jamaican sun, we're having so much fun with beautiful people and a positive vibration. Sipping on some rum, listening to the reggaeton. In this paradise, we found our liberation. As the stars emerge and the moon takes its place, the reggae fire still burns in this enchanted.
Shut up. Anyways, so I'm currently at St. Mary, and yeah, we are. I forgot what we talked to now. Yeah, spider. Not see you good. Yeah, but we was picking these berries today, so I'm actually so dirty. But after that, we're gonna play football, like that's the little football thingy, and they're going to play football, and we're going to watch. I don't know if I'm gonna be here until the football match, but yeah, Sunday. I mean, it feels like Sunday, but it's not. Today is Wednesday. Oh, it's such a nice day today, and yeah, my grandma and my cousins are just right here.
You want to tell me, say,
but yeah,
who have River can continue?
bye.
So we are depending on.
Guys, we are at the beach. I just did jet ski, and it is pretty out here. The sun is setting. Yeah.
We gon' fly away. It's not just life. You have to fight the fight. Me risk my life every day just to make a life. But me know it's gonna be alright. But
But it's nice. Yeah, I can't do that. In it, like, what kind of style? Hi guys. So we are currently in Ocho Rios. We are going to get our face done today, and we are going to have lunch. Guys, my face is done. It is burning. There's a glide something treatment. Yes.
What are you doing in there?
Pooing.
I want to see.
If you are still here, thank you for making it this far. So now we are back in Kingston, and we are gonna go to Clarendon. Yeah, so bear with me. Hi guys. This is like my third to last day. We are currently in Clarendon, and my sister-in-law, she's making lobster, yeah, so she's just cleaning them, and we are just waiting to eat. But yeah, let me show you.
Do the under your sauce. I want some iron to the whole thing too.
After my help you cut up the potato them the whole night, you don't give me no potato salad.
Wow.
Hello.
Outside. Then
Yeah. Guys, this is where I met the love of my ready for that one?
Actually, salty.
My last day, and we went to Salt River before. And best believe say, hear about she catch fish, and I swear things say a crocodile a jar away. And she has scream out, you know. And then I was running and dig out the hole of my leg. But it's calm now because we both have a on the same leg.